In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Mobile for video editing. We're focusing on the app's auto-editing workflow with Clip Genius, which is designed to turn a longer video into short, polished content with much less manual work. If you want a faster way to create social-ready clips from existing footage, this is a great place to start. First, open the Genspark AI Mobile app on your phone. Once you're inside, go to your dashboard and navigate to the All Agents menu. From there, select Clip Genius. This is the tool that handles the long to shorts editing process and prepares your content using AI. Next, upload your media. You can either choose a video file directly from your phone's local gallery or paste in a direct YouTube link, depending on where your source footage is coming from. Make sure you select the correct file before moving on, since the quality and structure of your original video will influence the final result. After that, prompt your edit. This is where you tell the AI what kind of outcome you want, so be clear and specific about the style or direction you're aiming for. A good prompt helps the tool make smarter decisions during the editing process. Then, let the AI process the file. During this stage, it will transcribe the audio, detect visual changes like facial or speaker shifts, and map out a story arc for the edit. This is what helps the app identify the most usable and engaging moments from your longer video. Once the AI compilation loads, move into the mobile editor to fine-tune everything. You can use the multi-layer timeline to manually trim specific tracks, adjust captions, or add stickers. This is the step where you clean up the result and make sure the final edit matches your style. When everything looks right, tap the Export dropdown and render your finished file as a high-resolution MP4. That's it. Your video is ready to save, share, or publish.